Hello, hello, and welcome to January 13th. Alpha's ahead. WBA at 140%. Let's go look at that chart. There it is. Walgreen, WBA at 140%. And there it is. And now it's starting to show signs of weakness. That's what these dojis are doing right here. Is that some people are deciding, is it rich enough for me to take the money off the table, or is there more? And remember that one of the rules of money going off the table is portfolio managers have their in-house rules of exit, excuse me, which is usually based on profit earned. Why? Because they got to turn that profit into cash, so the cash is available at the end of the month, so they in turn can then send out the pension checks. So that's the whole thing that happens here when something gets this high. Is possibilities that way back here. Well, there's a low. Let's do the numbers. So if you remember what I told you about the portfolio managers in the past, they buy at what they buy at the low, and they look for a 20% return to exit. So let's take the $39 because they also do, and they don't deal much in pennies, they deal in dollars. Dollars times 120, exit around $46.80. What happened here? Look, look what happened here. You can see it here. Let's go ahead and put in a let's go ahead and put a price channel. Okay, why is it not working? Okay, alrighty. Sometimes this thinkorswim platform has a little quirk in this software. Okay, let's try it again now. There we go. And we're going to draw a line here. And now we're going to go and say, okay, 46, we're going to round it up to $47 because that's what they'll do. They'll round it off to a dollar. 47. And let's go ahead and give it a date of, let's see, this date here is, okay, it's around January 5th. So the high point was here around January. Okay. So we're going to call it the 11th, just right at the beginning of this week, and extend this out for a week. And boom, there it is. Price got that 20% that I talked about before. The price got to the 20% mark. And what happened? Look, start slowing down. Why? Because some portfolio managers sitting here with 20% gain, which is a lot of cash, and that cash is needed to turn into pension checks at the end of the month. That is their whole purpose. And then, in addition to that, it it compounds onto their winnings for the year, and then come the end of the year, now they get their bonus. That's all the things. Everything's about the bonus. Sure, the portfolio managers and the companies, Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, uh, J.P. Morgan, who's another one, Merrill Lynch. All these investment houses still collect their fee, but the fee only keeps the lights on. It pays for all their high rent and their equipment and the supporting staff. The bonus is where the real money's at, and the bonus is earned by having these big wins, and that's what's happening here. So we're looking at 140 for the we're looking at 140 for Walgreen, and now our next position is RTX, barely making 1%, and there we are. We're at last bar low right here, and that's it. That's all it is for the positive side for the alphas. The tigers are still in a situation of limbo land with no funds. We are still tracking the Euro USD. So in my laboratory, I am looking at seeing, okay, what is here that I could possibly use from what I've learned for the strategy. Again, I won't be using my own stuff right away. I will be using what is going to be possible, what's going to come from the software once we're able to get into the platform. All right, so that really is the conclusion of today's report for with Walgreen at 140%. The Alphas at 3 points. The Alphas are in scoring position for 4 points, and the Tigers are still stuck at the starting gate. And with that, I thank you very much for coming by, checking it out, and catch you tomorrow. Bye bye.